I would only like to tell at this point of time, ITPO, I think after a very long time, this is a field which is growing very, very fast, and this is one field uh, in which India is again emerging, particularly in the field of wellness, as one of the most favorite and affordable destinations.
I am happy to be present here at the time of inauguration of this first ever international conference on anti-aging. This conference aims to reveal anti-aging secrets that focus on mind, body and spirit. And there are a lot of ways to minimize aging effects following a healthy diet, regular exercises and keeping the stress levels low. And the skin is your largest organ and a vital barrier that protects you from your environment. And no matter how careful you are, I think there are some time-tested therapies that can help us in anti-aging, that is avoiding the sun, no smoking, minimizing the consumption of alcohol, water, having a lot of water. These are the things that I thought that we are following at our homes, these remedies, but then there are latest technologies which are coming like nanotechnology, laser techniques and other latest therapies which are there for anti-aging. So the world is looking today at India for solutions for longevity, whether it is beautification through medical surgeries or through holistic approaches like yoga and Ayurveda. I'm supporting this concept fully for taking this anti-aging seminar forward and trying to do my best for getting due recognition for the Amrit seminar for taking this field of anti-aging solutions. I would like to thank the people who have made it happen. First and foremost, Yogi Ashwini for gracing this occasion with his presence and for presenting to us rare and ancient Vedic practices to achieve youth and health.
The spines have to be really, really strong for this. And as long as the spine will not bend, or as long as the spine will not, I would say, crumple, the body will not age. You can imagine a country head of IBM having this kind of a spine, and normally if you look at the executives who work for multinationals, what their status, and a journalist who's a star photographer for Wallcraft Media, an idea about his spine. Now some quick demonstration on something physical when you're attacked. You see in practically just 10 seconds, and they're not commandos, they're not trained command. We can do this again, once more please. They're not commandos, they are very, very busy people. I'll give you a little technique for that. It's called the Neel Bindu Gyan. It's a very simple meditational technique. So you start programming yourself like that. So whenever you have to leave the body, because ultimately all of us have to leave the body. So whenever you leave the body, you go with that consciousness level that you get only those thoughts which are light thoughts, which are not heavy thoughts. And those light thoughts which you will get will prevent the faster degeneration of the cell. Because the process is simple. These two will just go on doing their postures. You just observe the stillness which you will find in them, which you will see in them. That stillness is going to be visible, that glow is going to be visible in them. They don't use makeups at all. So what we do, we will just do a simple technique. It's called the Laghu Shank Prakshalan, if you've heard of that. So what is done? This is done at least twice a week first. Tiryak Tad, this is called. Looks simple. When you take in the saline water, it opens the valve which connects the stomach to the intestine. Even the esophageal valve it's called. So when you do Tiryak Tadasana, what is happening? The water which has been collected in the stomach which you have just had, it gets drawn into the intestine. It flushes out the toxins. This is called the Kati Chakra. It looks very simple. Anybody can do this. It's not difficult at all. It's called the Kati Chakra. 7 movements. Just 7 movements you do. You hold on to the breath when you're doing this. Inhale, hold, do a movement, come back and exhale. 7 times. What this does is, this opens the colonical wall where the large intestines. This will open the water into the large intestines. If you will see the movement, how they are doing the position of the feet, how they are like, what they are like. A simple process, a very, very simple process. This won't put pressure on the knees if you do it like this. And that's the way to do it in the right way, the way she is doing it. Here, it is called Udar Akarshan, the stomach. Stomach is the Udar, it is compressed. The stomach is compressed like this. The stomach is compressed, water is thrown out from the rectum. Pain, which is going to be there in the body, is going to be your benchmark. You need to stop it there. So stop that asana there at that point of time, immediately. And do something which is more simpler for you. And yoga is not about breathing like animals. You hear things, you breathe, you breathe like that. No. Only when you're about to die, that time you gasp for breath. In a normal state, you breathe very slow. You don't breathe like an animal, like a dog breathes. Imagine hanging your tongue out and breathing hard. You don't do that. And yoga is not about those fast-paced movements. Those fast-paced movements only are limited to martial arts, what you just saw here. As you will see them, very slow, very gentle, very flexible, calmness, no makeup on the faces, very relaxed. It's about relaxation. 1 hour of asanas, if you do them like this, the way these people are doing, 1 hour of asanas will give your body a complete relaxation.
योग वो होता है जो शरीर की दृढ़ता को, शरीर की शक्ति को और शरीर की आभा को दिखाता है. और जब तुम किसी योगी से मिलते हो, जब भी किसी योगी से मिलते हो तो क्या होता है कि तो तुम्हारी इच्छाएं होती हैं वो पूर्ण होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. एकदम बिना कुछ करे हुए तुम्हारी इच्छाएं अपने आप पूर्ण होनी शुरू हो जाती हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि एक योगी के आसपास एक आभा होती है. जब भी तुम उनकी प्रॉक्सिमिटी में आओगे किसी योगी की, तो तुम्हें कुछ अपने अंदर एक फील होगा, एक धड़कन सी महसूस होगी या कुछ एक अच्छी सी फीलिंग आएगी तुम्हारे को. समथिंग नाइस, कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है. क्या अच्छा लग रहा है तुम्हारे को समझ नहीं आएगा, मैं कुछ अच्छा लग रहा है.
Since this pack cannot cause any kind of a side effect, has zero bleach, zero chemicals, zero ammonia, zero of things like which can give you instant glow. It has nothing except for plant extracts, vitamin C and spirulina, and it's got some flavonoids. So I'm very confident about the product, and we've been using it in-house.